Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you guys how to design a professional CV for an electrical engineer by using the Microsoft Office Word. So let's start the video. First of all, you must select the margins at the narrow level. Then go to Insert, select Shapes and select Rectangle. Just place it here and position your rectangle. So that's all. Now go to outline, select no outline. In the shapes, select a professional color that is best for your CV. After that, go to Insert, Shapes and select the text box. In the text box, write your name and select the font as Imprint Empty Shadow and increase the size. Select bold and then write your name here. I am just writing random names as Mr. XYZ. So after that, write here electrical engineer. Place it in the middle of the line. After that, go to outline and select no outline. Again go to shapes, select rectangle and put a rectangle here. Again select no outlines. Here I am selecting the text box to create a heading. So select the font size, bold and increase the font size. So write here as career objective. Change the shape of your text box and put it in the middle of the line. Add another text box, select no outline, no fill and select a different font. So this portion is about the career objective. Write a professional career objective that is suitable to your profile. After that, select the title, the heading and press Ctrl key to make a duplicate of this heading. Write here contact. Then go to shapes, select circle, place a circle here. Then go to shape fill and select pictures. From your PC, select the icons, various icons for your contact information. So first of all, I am selecting the phone, duplicate the text box. Inside the text box, I am writing my phone number. So this is a random number. Write your phone number inside the text box. Then make another copy of the icon, go to format and again select pictures. Then select your email icon. So after that, write your email ID inside the text box. I am writing ABC, just a random email address. Finally, we are left with the location or your address. So make a copy of this icon, select the icon location from your computer. You can download these icons from Google. Just go to Google and write the icons, then you will be able to download the icons. Inside the address, write the street number and house number, etc. So we are done with the contact information. Now make another copy of the heading. Just write work history. So here write a brief experience about your previous job experiences. Then select the text box. So inside the text box, write your the list of the jobs that you have performed in the past. Select the bullets. Adjust the length of this bullets. So after that, let's assume that the writer of this CV has worked as electrical engineer. Inside the brackets, write the duration of that job experience. After that, add another text box. Inside the text box, write the job description and so on. So after that, add another job and add the description of that job just below the job. So that was all about the work history. After that, add a rectangle just to make it look better. After the work history, let's assume that I am adding the education. So write about education. Start writing from the highest degree that you have currently. So let's assume that the highest degree is Bachelor of Engineering, BSc Electrical Engineering. In the brackets, write the duration of the degree. So I am copying the text box from above. In the text box, write about the majors of this field, the major subjects that you have studied in the engineering. That is the inside the text box. After that, add the intermediate information. Inside the bracket, write the duration of your intermediate, that from which year and up to which year you have done your intermediate. So add another text box. Inside the text box, write your majors that you have studied in your intermediate degree. Finally, add your metric information, and just below this, write your major subjects that you have studied. So we must arrange the text box in such an order that it looks better. So let's arrange the text box in a suitable way. Just arrange the position of these text box. Okay, so we are done with the education section. After that, place a rectangle, and after the education portion, add the certification. In this portion, you need to write about the various certificates that you have earned during your professional life. So I am changing my heading as certifications. Certification. Let's assume that the writer of this CV has various certificates. This is certificate number 1. Inside the bracket, write the duration of this certificate, and add another text box. In this text box, write the description of this certificate, that this certificate was about which area, which field of your professional life. So let's say I am adding another certificate. Certificate number 2, and just make a duplicate of this text box. Inside the text box, write the description of certificate, this certificate that you have earned. Similarly, you can add up to the n number of certificates that you have earned during your professional life. So we are done with the certification portion. After this portion, just add another rectangle. Okay, now we want to add some more stuff inside the resume, such that the various projects that you have been worked on. So I can duplicate this heading to write something about the final year project. and then make a copy of this text box. So inside the text box write the FYP description in detail, that you have performed the you have done the FYP in which area, and the FYP was about which things. So here is the description of FYP. Now just add another rectangle. Finally, we want to add some references to your CV or resume. So make a duplicate of the heading, write here references. Add about 2 references inside the references. So add reference number 1, Professor ABC, and after the name of the professor or faculty member, right below the email address of that faculty member. So here will be email ID of that professor. After that, add another reference, Professor XYZ, and below the name of that faculty member write the email, and also write the, I forget to mention one more thing, also write the designation of that faculty member. So just above the email write the designation of that specific faculty member. So our CV or resume has been completed. You can also attach your picture inside a good looking circle. So just go to your PC to select your best profile picture. I am selecting a random picture, so that's all about the design of a professional CV or resume inside the Microsoft Office Word. So that's all about this video. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.